How to make a herbal infusion. Herbs heal in many ways. Their aromas are healing. Herbal medicine is best taken with an awareness of the herbs themselves. While some herbs work very quickly, many herbal medicines take time to work. One of the most common and effective ways that people use herbs is in infusion form. Infusions are made with flowers, stems, and leaves. How to make a herbal infusion. 1. Simply pour 1 cup boiling water over 1 teaspoon of dried herbs or 1 tablespoon of fresh herbs. Just increase the quantity of herbs and water proportionally if you want a larger batch. 2. Cover and let sit for 20 minutes. 3. After the 20 minutes is over, strain the herbs out and your infusion is ready. Enjoy your drink hot along with all its health benefits.